Hello and welcome to Situ's Beyond Booking apartment tours. I'm your host Jessica and I'm incredibly excited as I am in Tower Hill, London at The Residence. I've got my co-host with me, Solomon.
Hello guys.
And he will be taking us through the apartment tours today. So, where are we going?
Well, we're actually in for a bit of a treat today because we have exclusive access to the penthouse here. So that is what I'll be showing you.
Brilliant, I can't wait.
And welcome to the penthouse. So here we have our standard welcome pack, which is given to every guest on arrival with an espresso coffee machine, which is great for the people starting work early. We then have this amazing induction pot, which is great for cooking. My favourite thing to cook would probably be carbonara, especially when I've got these amazing views of London. So coming to this side of the kitchen, we have a wine fridge and a little breakfast nook area, which is perfect for having a cheeky glass of wine after work, getting to look at these views of Tower Bridge and Canary Wharf. Let me show you the living room and dining area. Our Situ guests love this space. It's perfect to host their friends after an evening of work, especially when they've made their homemade carbonara. Which then brings us through to the living room, which is great for unwinding after a busy day of work. And you can sit on the sofa and watch your favourite shows. Now let me show you the bedrooms. As you come into the guest bedroom, you can see the iconic gherkin. The beds here are super comfy, and the linen is changed once a week. And this is our second guest bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Enjoy a queen-size bed with a smart TV in this room, which is perfect for movie nights. And the ensuite. Don't worry about your crinkled shirts in the morning. We've got you covered with an iron and ironing board in every apartment. This is also another entrance just coming into this apartment. And I will then bring you through to the family bathroom. All of our apartments come with a complimentary toiletry pack. We are now in the cinema room, which you can exclusively book out and have a movie night with your friends.